We have actually wanted a shed for probably 4 or 5 years now. I was thinking about doing it myself. I can build stuff, but we looked at the floor design especially. Solid floor with the steel frame and whatnot. We looked around pretty close at them, so this is top notch. Just dug into it. They worked their tails off on it. They were out of here 8 to I think 1. It was fast, and we enjoyed watching the process as well. It's just for our garden tools and storage, mostly. But people could take it and they could do it whatever they want with it. Studio, little art studio or office space or something, you know. There's about a million things you could do with it. And we thought it was just different from all the other sheds. There's a ton of sheds around here, and this is probably one of the nicest ones now. I would highly recommend Tuff Shed, and we're really happy with the design and glad you guys came out. We love it. I think it adds a lot to the house.